It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Get Graphic Samples. Yeah, my name is Rafi Yakub right here. In today's video, you're going to learn step by step on how to add images to Photoshop, a step-by-step tutorial without any stress or investment. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see a quick way on how to insert images or photo into Adobe Photoshop workspace. So the very first way to do that is to come to the top right here. Then you have to click on File. Then make sure you click on Open right here. Then come down below here. Make sure you click on your computer. Then locate the image file on your PC. Then the next thing you want to do here is to select your image. Then click on Open. The another way to insert image into your Adobe Photoshop workspace is to bring out your file folder. So like this one right here, I have my file folder right here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I drag the image from here. So I will drag from here into Adobe Photoshop like this. Then it automatically open up in another page like this. Okay. So we have the image in two different documents. Okay, so we have the image right here. So this is how to insert image into your Adobe Photoshop, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.